All right, you little beasties. Want to run out the door? Come on. Come on. Come on out, Mr. Green says. It's fun out here. Come on, puppies. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can help. What, you going in there? Yeah, they don't want to come out. I want to go in. All right, come on. Come on, how about now? Anybody? Anybody got nerve enough to step outside by themselves? First time, folks. So, be patient with your Airedale. They'll be prancing out the door here in about... Hi, Miss Green. Hi. They'll be prancing out the door here in a few more times. Anybody? Yeah, we know you can come in and out, Mr. Green. I don't need your help. Go on. All right, well, I'm not opposed to helping my puppies. All right, come on. Come on out. Get out the way, Mr. Green. Come on out. Come on out. It's fun out here. Come on out. I don't want to hear no growling. Come on. All right. I don't want to. You don't want to, Mr. Red. How about anybody else? How about you? That's a no. I don't want to hear no growling out of you, Miss Green. Go on. Yeah, Christmas ribbon puppy already off the porch. Well, that's not helpful, is it? Huh? Big dog out there growling? Yeah, that's not helpful, is it? No. That's not helpful? All right, well, let me put that not helpful? No. I'm scared, boss. Yeah, it'll be all right. I got you, boss. I got you. Look, everybody else is out here having fun. Well, kind of. You're happy to see him, are you? Yeah, buddy, are these for me? Yeah, you better. You better leave them little beasties alone. I got my eye on you. That's a no. Go on, you beast. Yeah, anybody? Anybody else? No? All right, well, let me put the camera down. I had me two to come out. You better leave that dog's ear alone. Leave it. Who are you? Yeah, yellow dog. I'm not playing with you. I'm not. You want to get dominated? I can dominate a dog. You better leave that puppy alone. My puppy. Yeah. All right, run away. Yeah, run away. Who's that other little dog that come out over there? I don't know. I have to find out. So yeah, nobody else? Who's paying the electric bill for the heat around here? You are, boss. Okay, I guess I can leave the door open a little bit longer. Anybody else? Thinking about it. Thinking. It looks like fun. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, it's fun, Miss Purple. Yeah, it's fun out here. Come on. You okay? I got the shivers, boss. I don't know if I like it out here. Oh, yeah, thank you, Miss Purple. I guess. Might be Miss Pink. You know I'm colorblind. Oh, that's Miss Purple over there, so that's gotta be little Miss Pink. Mr. Blue, can I get anybody else? All right, well, yeah, let me put the camera down. Yeah, cut these three beasties out here. Miss Green, I'm not gonna keep telling you. Puppy, go on. I don't need your help. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Green. I don't need your help, but I love my puppies. All right, I love them too. No? All right, let me put it down and help them out, folks. Talk to you guys next time.